What's good, y'all? It's HB punching profit. Beautiful play this morning off of the 9:30 opening, uh, which was roughly around here. But this leg right here, we take out a prior day high on the way up. We also tap into this PD array marked out in this gray box on the daily time frame. You can look on the weekly time frame as well for PD arrays. We invert this bullish fair value gap on the left in this orange box, right? And at the same time, with the same candle, we get our advanced market structure shift that closes below it. We enter in immediately, especially since it's the 9:30 opening. It's going to be very volatile. It's going to move without you. As you see, there was no retracement. You're not going to put your stop all the way up here. You're going to bring it down to the top of the gap. Unless you have volume imbalances on each side, then you probably want to bring it a few points higher to be safe. But there was not volume imbalances on each side, so we kept it at the top of the gap. Okay, we aim for low hanging fruit or 50 points, and we get in, we get out, no muss, no fuss. That happened in relatively a few minutes. So, yeah, it was a beautiful trade. Got about $1,200 off of it with 1 mini. This is HB Punch and Profit. Comment down below, like the video, subscribe if you're new. Peace.